So now the belt has been secured together. So this is the drive unit. This is the belt. I put the belt wrap around this pulley, and it goes all the way here. You see that there's another pulley at this end, and the belt, I tighten securely this thing, the spring tension nut for the belt, and then this thing I hook this up. Also this one, I hook this strap here so that the belt will go around the pulley. And now I'm ready to install this unit. Overhead the garage, which is this point end, will be attached to that header beam on that garage. And then that's the garage now. It's closed. Okay, you can see the garage is closed now. And the drive unit motor, that part, will be secured on the top, on that light. So that's the one sectional door, and see, this is the two sectional door. It's gonna be the same like that situation, wherein I will screw all the steel bracing and then connect the drive unit motor, and then that will be the next step.